Baby, are you ready to go through the car wash?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. Let's see. How clean will your truck be when you get out of the car wash? We decided to get the $30 pack, which is supposed to have hot wax and everything else. Unlimited washes. Now we getting it all dry. Car wash. Car wash. It's a car wash today. Keep moving. Do not stop. Yay. Well needed wash, right, babe?
Yeah.
Thank you, car wash. Now we're going to see if that $30 wash did anything for these rims. Da, 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 da. And we'll see if these vacuums have any type of suction, because normally they're not all that great. Okay. Let's see if our rims are even a bit of being clean. Woo! A lot better than they were. Wow. Wisdom, would you like to see what the rims look like now?
Yeah.
A lot better than it was. Whoa. Now we're going to go ahead and start vacuuming. The suction is okay. Wisdom, would you like to try to vacuum today?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Woo, this truck needs to be vacuumed out really bad. Peanuts and all kinds of things. Oh, quarter! No, the quarter just went up. Let's at least pick up this dime before it goes. Okay, go ahead. Thank you so much. So we got our speed wash sticker. Go ahead and put that up. Does it go in the inside or the outside? I don't know. We'll put it there for now. When I get home, I'll just try to finish off the rims myself. How's it going, babe?
Yeah. I'm trying to get the inside here.
Okay, just try for just right here for now. Okay, you go up under there.
There's a coin under there too.
More coins.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, honey, I see you. Vacuum it up, baby. Vacuum it up. Wisdom. Good job. Let's say bye to your viewers.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us today. As we're cleaning the car.